Have you ever been scammed online? It's a chilling question, isn't it? Unfortunately, it's a reality for countless internet users every single day. In this vast digital world, scams come in all forms, from phishing emails, misleading ads, to fraudulent websites. These schemes are craftily designed to trick you into parting with your hard-earned money or disclosing sensitive information. The impact of these scams is far-reaching. It's not just about the money lost, though that can run into thousands of dollars. It's also about the emotional turmoil it creates. The fear, the embarrassment, the feeling of violation, it can all be quite overwhelming. But let's pause for a moment. If you found yourself entangled in the web of an online scam, don't panic. We're here to help. We have some clear, easy-to-follow steps that can help you navigate this challenging situation. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty of what to do when you've been scammed online. First off, it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many have navigated this path before, and you can too. So you've been scammed online. That's rough. It's a tough pill to swallow, but don't beat yourself up. Scammers are becoming increasingly clever and sophisticated. They're good at what they do, but guess what? You can be better. What's the first thing to do? Contact your bank or credit card company. If you've lost money, they need to know as soon as possible. They can help you dispute the charges and secure your accounts. In some cases, you might be able to recover some or all of your lost funds. Next, change your passwords. Not just for the account you think was compromised, but all of them. It's a bit of a chore, sure, but it's a small price to pay for securing your digital world. And remember, make them strong and unique. No more using your pet's name followed by 1, 2, 3. Now, it's time to report the scam. Start with your local law enforcement agency. Yes, even if the scammer is likely in another country entirely. This helps them track trends and warn others. Then report it to the platform where it happened. Most platforms have a process for reporting scams to protect their communities. And don't forget to reach out to your social network, not to broadcast your misfortune, but to warn them. Scammers often target friends and family of their victims. By speaking up, you could prevent someone else from falling into the same trap. Finally, seek support. This can be a stressful and emotional time. Reach out to friends, family, or professional support services. It's okay to ask for help. Remember, being scammed doesn't define you. It's a bump in the road, a lesson learned. It's what you do next that matters. These steps aren't a magic wand, but they're a good start to reclaiming control after an online scam. Now that we've covered what to do if you've been scammed online, let's talk about how you can avoid falling into the same trap in the future. Firstly, always do your research before making any online purchases. This could mean reading reviews, checking the legitimacy of the website, or even contacting the company directly. It's essential to be sure that you're not handing your hard-earned money over to a fraudster. Secondly, use secure and trusted platforms. Look for sites that have HTTPs in their URL, as this signifies that the website has an added layer of security. Trusted platforms also include those with a good reputation and strong customer protection policies. Next, never share personal information unnecessarily. Be wary of anyone asking for sensitive data, such as your social security number, bank details, or even your full name and birth date. These pieces of information can be used to steal your identity and commit fraud under your name. Finally, stay updated on the latest scamming techniques. Scammers are constantly coming up with new ways to trick people, so it's important to keep abreast of the latest trends. This could be through news articles, social media, or even fraud awareness websites. In conclusion, while it's impossible to completely eliminate the risk of falling victim to online scams by following these tips, you can significantly reduce your chances of being scammed. Remember, a little caution can save a lot of trouble. The internet can be a tricky place, but it doesn't have to be. We can help each other navigate it safely. Your experiences and tips can be invaluable to others, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments. Let's foster a community where we all learn and grow. If you found this video helpful, show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And don't forget to share this video because knowledge is power. Stay safe out there, and remember, we're all in this together.